Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from LinkedIn Premium. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the LinkedIn website and log into your account. Then, you will be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. Over here, click on your profile picture at the top. After that, click on Premium Membership from the drop-down. Then you will see your membership details including start and renewal dates. After that, click on the Cancel Subscription option. Then you will see your current plan details and some offers to continue. Over here, click on Continue to cancel. After that, you may see other benefits listed, but continue the cancellation process. Then confirm the cancellation again. After that, you will see a message saying the subscription has been cancelled. So that's basically how you can unsubscribe from LinkedIn Premium. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.